Hi guys, let's install Git today. So to install Git, open any browser. In my case, I'm using Google Chrome as my browser. Once you open a browser, just type Git Git. You might see a page like this. Now click on Download for Windows. Okay, click on Download for Windows. Now here you might see like this. So just click on 64-bit for Windows setup. This one. Okay, just click here. The file will automatically download it. You might not see a window like this, but you will see something, a small tab here. Okay. So once it's downloaded, go to downloads. Okay. Here, my download is completed. So once it's completed, go to downloads folder. You might see the application here, but in my case, it is downloaded inside programs. So you might see an icon like this. Okay. You might see an icon like this. Just double tap. Click S when your pop-up opens like this. Okay, next, click on next. Now you might see a window like this, so just click on next, again next. So here in this case, if something like this comes, just click on yes. You might see some options here. Just select Windows Explorer integration, Git LFS, these two as well as new. Okay. Also choose new, add a Git bash profile to Windows Terminal so that we can directly use Windows Terminal in this case. Now just click on next, again next. So by default, it will show use Vim as a Git's default editor, but don't choose that. Just click on that option. You will see some few more options. Just if you might see something called use Notepad as its default editor. Just click on that. Now Notepad is now Git's default editor. Just click next, 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 next. Okay. You will see uh, a green bar like this installing. Okay, just wait until the green bar completes. Okay, now you will see a window like this. So just click untick view release notes and click on launch Git bash for the first time just to check whether it's installed or not. Click on finish. So now we will see something like this. So okay, the username and platform name might be different, but this will be same. Okay, this thing will be same, but this might be different. So now just type GIT. We'll see something like this. If you don't see something like this, just please repeat the same. Okay. Okay, that's all. You have successfully installed Git. Thank you.